Spice Girl Geri Horner, 49, and her husband Christian Horner, 48, showed off their glamorous mode of transportation as they flew in to watch Paul McCartney perform at Glastonbury Festival. Ginger Spice and her husband of 7 years flew to the festival in a helicopter from their country home. The loved-up couple shared details of their date night at Glastonbury on their social media, posting snaps from the moment their helicopter took off to Paul's historic headline set. Paul made history by being the oldest performer to ever headline Glastonbury Festival as he performed 38 songs at the age of 80. In her signature style, Geri rocked a bold all-white outfit to the festival, wearing a high-neck top, trousers, raincoat and biker boots. Meanwhile, F1 principal Christian opted for a more casual look with blue jeans, a navy jumper and brown lace-up boots. Geri took to Instagram to share a selfie with her husband posing in front of the helicopter on their way to the festival. She captioned the snap, "Date night to see a legend. At Paul McCartney, star emoji." Fans flooded the comments, commenting on the mode of transport and Geri's bold outfit choice. One wrote, "Such a Bridget Jones things to do wearing white to a festival, heart eyes emoji, love ya Geri 30. A second penned, "What a cool ride. You two are adorable." Another chimed in with, "That's how it's done, if you can do it in style." "You're wearing white. Gorgeous," a fourth wrote. Geri went on to share a second post of her and her husband smiling in front of the Glastonbury crowd. She captioned the snap, "At Glastonfest amazing. At Paul McCartney." Her followers were quick to suggest that they think the Spice Girls should reunite for next year's festival. One wrote, "You and the girls next year." A second said, "You must be there on stage singing." While a third penned, "Spice Girls next year." Geri and Christian seemed to enjoy their date night, with them getting to watch Paul McCartney take the stage in person for his historic set. The 80-year-old music legend performed 38 songs in total, with one seeing him reunited with his former bandmate the late John Lennon. John Lennon appeared on screen for the digital duet, which Paul thanked the Lord of the Rings director Peter Jackson for making technically possible. Sir Paul was moved by the performance, which he described as so special, with him going on to say, "I know it's virtual, but there I am singing with John again. We're back together." The former Beatle appeared emotional as he performed "I've Got a Feeling" with Lennon's remastered vocals, alongside footage of Lennon appeared on the large screens alongside the main stage. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.